What happens to your money when you put it into an investing app? It's a huge question, especially when you're a new investor looking at platforms like Stash. You want to start building wealth, but those nagging thoughts creep in. Is this app a brilliant financial tool, or is it an elaborate scam? Today, we're cutting through the noise to give you a definitive answer on whether Stash is legit. The short answer, in terms of regulation and security, is a resounding yes. Stash is a legitimate and regulated financial technology company. Let's break down the proof. For an investment app to be considered safe, it needs to be regulated, and your funds need to be protected. Stash checks both those boxes. First, regulation. Stash is a registered investment advisor and is regulated by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, or SEC. This is a top-tier financial authority. Second, protection. Your investments are held through a clearing agency that is a member of the Securities Investor Protection Corporation, or SIPC. This protects your securities up to $500,000 in the event the firm fails. If you use Stash for banking services, your cash deposits are held through an FDIC-insured sweep program, covered up to $250,000. These are standard safety measures for the financial industry. Stash is built on a subscription model, charging a flat monthly fee to give you access to its platform, which offers fractional shares, automated investing, banking services, and financial education. This is how they make the majority of their revenue, along with what is called payment for order flow and other ancillary fees. It's an unconventional pricing model compared to a traditional brokerage, but not inherently a scam. Now, where does the confusion and the scam question come from? It often comes down to customer experience and fees. If you search for user reviews, you'll see a mixed bag. Many users love the app's ease of use, the ability to start with very little money, and its educational focus, which is perfect for beginners. The app even has high ratings on the App and Google Play stores. However, other customers complain about a few sticking points: customer service issues, difficulties or delays with account closures and transferring funds out, and the flat monthly fee feeling expensive for very small account balances. For example, if you only have a $100 invested, a $3 to $9 monthly fee is a significant percentage of your total funds. So, to wrap it all up, Stash is a legitimate, regulated platform that can be an excellent starting point for new investors due to its educational tools and low minimums. It is absolutely not a scam. But whether it is the right choice for you depends on your balance and priorities. If you value a simple platform and don't mind the flat monthly fee, it's a solid option. If you have a larger balance, or prioritize zero fees and a wider range of services, you might find a traditional brokerage a better fit. Do your homework on their fee structure and services to make sure it aligns with your financial journey. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.